Do you know what the status quo is of your English? Hi, I'm Jeff McQuillan, coming to you from beautiful Los Angeles, California, and DSLPOD.com. In a previous video, we talked about how surprisingly common certain Latin expressions are still today in everyday English. Today I want to talk about 4 more of these very common expressions that will help you understand what you read and hear, as well as to communicate better in English. The first expression is status quo. Status quo refers to the current state or the current progress of events. So when I asked at the beginning of the video about your status quo in English, I'm asking about where it is. What's the progress? What's the state of your English? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it advanced? Is it low? Those would be examples of status quo. Status quo refers to the way the situation is right now. We often use this expression when talking about political affairs or other current events. You could say, well, what is the status quo of our economy? Is it good? Is it bad? What is its current state or current status? A second extremely common Latin expression in English is de facto. De facto means in fact, in reality. De facto refers to something that is real, something that is true, even if it's not officially or legally that way. So we could say, for example, that New York City is the de facto financial capital of the United States. It's not the official capital. It's not like the legal capital. There is no such legal capital when it comes to the financial center. Of course, the legal capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. But when we talk about, say, Los Angeles being the entertainment capital of the world, well, it's not officially that. The United Nations didn't say, oh yeah, that's the entertainment capital of the world. No, we would say it's the de facto capital of entertainment in the world, meaning in reality, in fact, even if it isn't legally that. The word for something that is legally true would be de jure, but that expression isn't used very much at all. A third common expression is vice versa. Vice versa means reversed, or when things are put in the opposite way around. For example, I could say, I like my wife's cooking, and vice versa. Vice versa there means, and my wife also likes my cooking. So it's the other relationship, the opposite relationship, if you will. Or you could say, I'm going to help my friend finish his project, and vice versa, meaning he's going to help me finish my project, say working on my house, for example. I'll go over to his house, and vice versa. He'll come over to my house. That's what the and vice versa means. Our final expression from Latin is non-sequitur. A non-sequitur, which means it doesn't follow or is not followed by, is used to describe when you make a conclusion that doesn't logically follow from the facts. So if someone says, it's sunny out today, good day for a pizza. And you go, what does having a sunny day have to do with, or how is that related to eating a pizza? It's a non sequitur. One thing doesn't relate to the other. Sometimes when people are telling long stories, they will start talking about things that aren't clearly related to the first part of the story. We could say that their stories are filled with non sequiturs. One thing doesn't seem to be logically related to the next thing. For more information on Latin expressions in English, such as status quo, take a look at our Cultural English episode 247. And if you like this video, please like us, follow us, and share us with your friends. from beautiful Los Angeles, California, I am Jeff McQuillan. Thanks for watching.